Toyota still wants to bet on plug-in hybrids. We do know that they did replace their chairman, that Toyota, who had made that comment about how he didn't think electric vehicles were going to make up more than 30% of the market. I think Toyota's going to have a lot of their lunch eaten by BYD.
Yeah, absolutely. In fact, BYD is already selling cars in Japan.
Oh, okay. Yeah, they're going to be the dominant car manufacturer.
They're a force to be reckoned with because, we were just talking before we came on about the Seal, BYD Seal, and then there's Seagull and all these models that are a fraction. I mean, it's a half, but they got the latest one. The Seal is what?
The Seagull. The Seagull's $10,000 to $11,000.
$11,000. I mean, for a fully electric car. So
you can't buy a gas car. The cheapest gas car you can buy in the United States is the Nissan Versa, and it's 15 and change for the lowest model you can get.
That is posing a significant problem, and of course, a particular, political candidate hoping to get back in the White House is saying, "I'm going to put a 100% tariff on all those Japanese or Chinese cars coming out Chinese cars coming out of Mexico."
Well, he's going to have to. He's going to have to protect it. We've got to protect the big three. I really, even with the failings that the big three make in the auto industry, we know that EVs are going to take over. Eventually, they've got to figure it out, but they're going to have to be protected. I mean, you always hear this, what was that expression back in 2008, too big to fail with the banks. But to a certain degree, so much of America is rooted in the big three auto manufacturers for everything from the parts manufacturing and all that. And I think it's the duty of our government to try to protect American industry.
Yeah, and at the same time, though, there are more and more arguments. In fact, I posted another one today saying, well, why don't Americans have cheap cars or cheap electric cars like the Chinese do? It's because they're not letting those, this article basically is, is lobbying for, well, we should let BYD and all the others sort of, all start to do business here in the United States with their passenger cars.
Well, we're certainly going to have VinFast get a good hold when they introduce that VF3 that's going to be sub 20K to the U.S. And I don't know if that's going to be next year, if it's not going to be till 2026. But they already run it over in Vietnam, so it's just a matter of being here.
So we have one communist quote. company, got a foothold here and actually talking about, beginning to build factories and things here. I would suspect that probably what we do to protect American jobs is we just simply say, hey, BYD, NIO, you guys that want to come into this country to, sell your cars here, you need to make them here.
Yeah. Hyundai's doing it. Hyundai's about to start producing 300,000 EVs a year in Georgia, and they're creating jobs. They're going to be American-made cars. The only criticism I was telling you before the show today is in Canada, recently a Hyundai dealer wanted $50,000 to replace a damn battery in a Hyundai Kona. And that, I get that comment all the time on the videos now, and it happened one time, but it's not the first time that we've seen a Hyundai dealer screwing over a client.
And I think it would be in the interest of Hyundai management to get active in addressing that concern, saying, no, we'll, depending on, was it out of warranty? Okay, if it's out of warranty, then...
I think it was a battery that was damaged in an accident and had to be replaced. That wouldn't be under warranty. And so the car insurance company they totaled it out. But I'm just saying, Tesla would have replaced that for 1/4 that, because I've known people who've already had a Tesla battery replaced for $12,000. So, and you're talking the Tesla batteries typically are bigger than what's in the Hyundais. So you're talking a different numbers, but I'm just saying Hyundai is no saint. But, I can't really blame them on the company. This is individual dealerships who've been doing this. Because we saw that Ion Flush business where the one person had been charged $1,500 and other Hyundai dealerships offered that service for $299. Ion Flushes is a coolant flush for the batteries. So there's special coolant for the batteries.
Hi, I'm David with EV World News. If you like this video, then please press the like button. If you like the content and would like to see more videos on electric vehicles, then please hit the subscribe button. If you have some feedback for us, please let us know in the comments. Have a great day.